Alright, here we are. This is the rig that's going to be taken down, building 16. But, you know. Holy fuck. That's a fucking beast. Let's see if I can put my GoPro up there somewhere. I just mentioned it and the dude didn't seem too interested. Fucking. Get another video from inside, but yeah, it's gonna be something to see. I guess we'll take a stroll through the inside. Yeah, it's dark, you ain't gonna see shit. I'll get a video of it from inside. We're just removing windows now. See, look, you can tell. They're in the middle. Fuck it. Alright. This would be the top floor, building 16. Let's start on the windows. I'm gonna start. Really neat. I don't know how well you can see, but big holes all the way down through all the floors. Big holes in these roofs. Crazy. Oh shit. Fuck. I can't. The whole point of this video is so I can check out the machine from up here. Can't even see it. I know. I'm on the 5th floor. Don't drop your phone, fuckface. Maybe I'll go up on the roof in the rain and video record. Alright, this Costello's crane. I'm on the 5th floor. Well, actually I'm on the roof of the mill, building 16. As you can see, that is one fucking big piece of equipment. I mean, we're up there, Bob. And yeah.
I want to run it.
Yeah, I tried to get him to leave the keys. No. He said no. Fuck, isn't that awesome? So there'll be video coming up of the building that I'm standing on being tore down. Be building 16 right in the middle of the complex.